Okay, I begin this training, this formal training on etiquette. Occasion, which is your bowl. Yeah, good. What? I do that because you both fingers, right? Okay, can you try with each other? Yeah, standing, because chances are, you might not. Okay, our goal is, I'm dominating you. I'm higher. Come on, let's go. Okay. Try again. Move. Nice. Okay, we do this. Every time you have long text, remember its original posture. Try to sit at the edge of the chair. See your back following already with the posture. Sometimes, always. Again, let's try to repeat it. Never. This is sometimes, and this is always. Why? Go clean. Okay, thank you so much. Do you really feel like I'm saying the same words earlier but with an open palm? Hey, are you hungry? The real test is still to choose to have that good manners. Alright? What you can do is, you can transfer from the other hand and enter this way. The guest, hi, okay. Second, oh, yeah, see? It's wow. Okay, hold. Hold, there. Then hold. There. Are you saying hi? Bye! Yeah. Okay, next please. Okay, next please. This one is facing your body and okay. So can we all try to do that, buddy? Yeah, that's right. That's right. So the phone is the one near you. So that's good. Put your table napkin on the chair. So anyone who wants to join her, and don't make it out. Sit from the side. Sit. After we're done with the speech again, pinch. Butter, then bite. The actor and actress the right way. Never hold the glass with your palm like this. Because the wine is supposed to pour in. Someone it properly. For those who are sitting down, so they loosen the congratulations. Cheers, everyone. Thank you. Right? The teacup is smaller than it's a mug. You don't usually people play because they understand 420. You need now ask permission. Can you take your plate, please? And then enter from the right, please. Gracefully sit down. Silently, if you can pull and go. Thank you. Okay, gracefully sit down. Come on, gracefully sit down. And then sit. Okay, so this is the don't. Palakpakan natin actor and actress. Okay, take two. This is the right way. To the right. To the right. And then it reaches the person who needs that, assuming that they may be needing also the here. Yeah, let's just go. So next will be you. Okay?
Follow table manner or be thank you.
For me personally, the dining etiquette helped me. Yes, for me, it helps me to like not be a little professional.
Here, experience here. For the
Just to
Apply what I learned.
To use. Also like what she said about it.
I want to be more.
Next.
take care of myself in the morning.
Whenever you're confused, what or how should I behave? What are the words that I should say? Just remember that we honor the Lord with your appearance. We honor the Lord with your behavior, and we also wanted to honor the Lord with your nonverbal. You do it all for the Lord and not for human masters. Okay, so right now, I'd like to first thank you for having this privilege to be your teacher. For the grade 12, I'm happy to see you again from last year. And for the hello for the grade 12 first. Yeah, you've grown, right? And it's goodbye already this year, grade 12, yeah. And for the grade 11, God willing, I'll see you again next year, okay? All right.
Social dynamics, especially in more formal settings.
These social practices and etiquettes that we learned, they're deeper than just rituals that...
It's not for you to just passively listen, like, oh, what's the use of this? It's actually to educate yourself on how to be more mannered.
Your actions really show who you are more than your words.
Through the talk, I was able to learn.
Doesn't belong in the curriculum anymore. Well, at least I know it and so what they've been teaching is very important for them. taught them how to behave properly, the right way to behave. And there's always a time for a lot of things, like, goofing around and stuff like that. That's fun. But however, in more formal situations, this is a good
At the
thing.
end of the day, when you intentionally glorify the Lord, whether it's formal setting or not, I'm sure naturally respect will happen, appropriateness will happen, and making everyone around you feel comfortable will also happen.